fool. Okay, guys, this is the part 2 of this boy bullying me. Not really, because I am bullying him. But hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 and part 2. I'm gonna say it. So this is part 2 and welcome back again to my channel. Yay! I have 335 ones. By the way, she's soccer. Ooh, there's actually she's flying. Flying is crazy. Bro, I wanna be friends with her. I love food. It's so cute. I wanna be friends. Oh, innocent again. Come on. He's really lying. At least I'm actually famous from what? Who's really bullying me though? Oh, big bro, yeah. I don't wanna be friends. This is the girl's bathroom, so you're not allowed in here. Hey, what is this? It's okay. It's just a game. No. Mm, I hear it somewhere there. Okay. She jump scared me. I'm the last person alive, bro. Bro, content? Yeah, I'm filming. Yeah, I'm filming. You're famous. Yeah, filming. Yeah, guys, I'm filming today, and you can join me right now. I'm still playing. Lies. Go. I'm not lying, bro. I'm not lying. Guys, prove it. Go to YT. YT. Filming? Yeah. Bro, I'm really filming. Oh, to make video. Yeah, correct. That must be the nice one. Learn how to respect. Respect. I know how to respect this. This is hotel too. All we do is just yapping. I had to. What? Ang alin? I just need to find Mr. Nerd and find the gun. Bro! That bro saying advanced murder like you. That's him. Oh, we're friends. We're friends. No matter what. Why it hashtag? Why you say PVC Mads? I have 135 subs. Congrats! Guys, I can subscribe to this. Nah, you how many? I think I have 26. Just started. Cloudberry is name. You name channel. What Jenny? Okay. Who are you filming? You can you tell me? My viewers. Name. Add me please. Please. Ano? With a white heart. Cinnamoroll. Cute. Wait, what am I? One. I'm sorry, bro. I do what I do. Bro, I'm lacking. Oh my god. Sorry. What the? Okay. Deserve. Deserve. No, it's not. It's my opinion. No, it's not. It's my opinion. So you shouldn't be a camper friend. Like, well, someone's stealing my food. I don't care. My opinion. Don't control me. I don't know how to say something nice and also disturbing for you. Stop saying it because you don't know. Here. Right guys, you guys don't never do that because you don't know what everyone's doing. Ah, gusto mo balik. He's the merd. Oo. Take it. Hindi na. Eh. To go. No one cares about your life. Because you don't know whatever you're going through. Later. Literally a hater. Hater. Nah, you're buns. You're buns. That's it for this video and bye. Come up for the treat. About the mysteries.